Hello, my name is Thomas and I work for SDU Library. I have made a short video about the importance of our library to university students and what can we offer you. You should use the library when you have exams and academic papers to write, to have credible sources for your claims. That is why it is a good idea to know how to navigate through library's materials. The library offers both electronic and physical materials. I will show you how to find both. We start with the electronic materials. If you are searching for a specific article, write the name of the article in Summon, which is our search engine, and press search. When you have found the article, you click on the article and you use your SDU login, which is the same you use for your student email and Blackboard. When you have logged in, you can download the article to your computer. If you would rather find a physical book, you check the box Books and Printed Journals and press search. Here you can see the red icon indicating that it is a physical book and a possibility to borrow the book, so just click on the name of the book. You can see where the book is located on the bottom and if it is available for borrowing it. You can also order the book by pressing place hold. If the book is already checked out by someone else, then you will get an email once the book will be available to you. When you order a book, you always have to come to the library to pick it up. You will need your student card with you. The borrowing period is 30 days, after which you can return the book. You have to return the book back or renew it on our webpage. SDU Library offers courses for students in various topics. They are all for free and they all take place at our library. You can check them out on our webpage. And finally, the library is open 24/7. Enjoy studying.